Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're doing well and I hope you're enjoying the Quran translation sessions. When I say enjoying, I mean you're understanding the translation and you are understanding when I am reciting the Arabic text at least the second time. If you're doing it, if you're actually understanding it, you're actually enjoying it. So let's have a go at these two verses that we have to do today. Verses 48 and 49 of Surah Al Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم واتقوا يوما لا تجزي نفس عن نفس شيئا ولا يقبل منها شفاعة ولا يؤخذ منها عدل ولا هم ينصرون وإذ نجيناكم من آل فرعون يسومونكم سوء العذاب يذبحون أبناءكم ويستحيون نساءكم وفي ذلكم بلاء من ربكم عظيم صدق الله العظيم. Okay, now translation. واتقوا, how you know, and ittaqu, fear, yawman, the day, la tajzi nafsun an nafsin shay'a, when no soul shall come to the rescue of another soul. Translation, please. Okay. Let me try to make it a little more simple. Wattaqu, and fear. Yawman, the day. La tajzi, no one will help. Got it? Sorry, la tajzi, will not help, will not suffice. Nafsun, who? Any soul. What do you mean by that? Any individual, anyone. An nafsin, for another soul, for another individual, shay'an, at all. You didn't understand it at all? Okay. Let me do it again. Maybe I'm not doing it properly. Wattaqu, and fear yawman, the day, la tajzi, will not be able to help nafsun, any individual, an nafsin, on behalf of any other individual, shay'an, at all. Something better, clearer? Wattaqu yawman, and fear the day, la tajzi nafsun an nafsin shay'a, when nobody is going to be able to help anybody else at all. Right? Wala yuqbalu, wala and not, or and nor. Yuqbalu, shall be accepted, minha, on its behalf. That is, on behalf of the individual. So we might say on his behalf. La yuqbalu, shall not be accepted, minha, on his behalf, shafa'atun, any intercession. Uncle, what is intercession? Okay. Today it's difficult. Intercession is to say something for somebody else, to help somebody else, to do shafaat, to do sifarish. You say to someone, please don't fail him. Please don't penalize him. Don't punish him. So if I am saying to, let's say, your whatever, headmaster, headmistress, that please don't punish him. So what I'm doing is, I am trying to intercede for you, say something to help you to be removed from the difficulty. Okay, wala yuqbalu, nor shall be accepted minha, on his behalf, shafaatun, any intercession. I hope you know now what intercession is. Wala yukhazu, nor shall be taken minha, on his behalf, adlun, any compensation, any payment. No payment shall be accepted to help a person come out from the punishment. In many of the worldly laws that are functioning, applied in many countries, somebody gets imprisoned, somebody gets into the jail, and the law says that if he makes, in some cases, a certain payment, he can come out. But God is saying that la yukhazu minha, nor shall be accepted on his behalf adlun, any payment, any compensation. Wala hum yunsarun, nor are they going to be aided, helped. Right? So you might say that, is it not that all that is being said is the same? Well, you're not wrong. So it's very strong emphasis that somebody is going to be caught by God for his wrong deeds. Nobody shall be able to help. What is and when? I hope you know, is when. What is and when. That is, tell them, remind them, inform them when. Najjayna, na, we. Najjayna, we saved kum, you, min ali Firaun, from the people of Pharaoh, Yasumunakum, they afflicted, they put you into su al-azab, worst punishment. Yuzabbihuna, they used to slaughter abnaakum, your sons. Wayastahyuna, and they would keep alive nisaakum, your women. Wafi zalikum, and in that balaun, there was a trial. Balaun, trial, test. Mir rabbikum, from your Lord. Azim, big, great. Wafi zalikum, and in that balaun, there was a test. Mir rabbikum, from your Lord. Azim, great. You got it? Great. Let's do it again. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Wattaqu, and fear, yawman, the day, la tajzi, when shall not be able to help nafsun, anyone, an nafsin, anybody else, shay'an, at all. Fear the day when nobody shall be able to help anybody else at all. Wala yuqbalu, nor shall be accepted minha, on his behalf, on that individual's behalf, shafaatun, any intercession. Don't tell me you don't understand it. I'll scream. Shafaatun, any intercession. Wala yu'khazu, nor shall be taken minha, on his behalf, adlun, any payment, any compensation, walahum, nor shall they yunsarun, nor shall they be helped, be aided, helped, aided. وَإِذْ نَجَّيْنَاكُمْ, وَإِذْ and when, that is, inform about the fact when najjayna, we rescued you, we saved you. Sorry, najjayna, we saved kum, you, min ali Fir'aun, from the people of Pharaoh, yasumunakum, they used to torment, they used to afflict, they used to put into kum, you, su al azab, in the worst punishment, worst torment. That is, yuzabbihuna, they used to slaughter abna'akum, your sons, wayastahyuna, and they would keep alive nisa'akum, your daughters. Wafi zalikum, and in that, bala'un, there was a test, min rabbikum, from your Lord, azim, great, big. Okay, you've understood. Now let me read it again in Arabic. And despite the fact that, let's face it, today's lesson was a bit difficult, inshallah, now that I'm going to recite it, you will know each and every word that I'll recite. You already know, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, I seek refuge in Allah the God from the evil whispers of Satan. And Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, I begin in the name of Allah the God, whose mercy is profound, Ar-Rahman, whose kindness is forever. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. واتقوا يوما لا تجزي نفس عن نفس شيئا ولا يقبل منها شفاعة ولا يؤخذ منها عدل ولا هم ينصرون وإذ نجيناكم من آل فرعون يسومونكم سوء العذاب يذبحون أبناءكم ويستحيون نساءكم وفي ذلكم بلاء من ربكم عظيم. صدق Allah al-Azim. God the Great said the truth. So we'll meet again inshallah tomorrow with a new set of verses, and hopefully you're beginning to understand the Quran directly, and hopefully when you now read the Quran in your prayers, you get an understanding, an idea of what you're reading. And I tell you, if you keep doing it regularly more and more, you'll start understanding the Quran directly more and more. And that's exactly what the purpose of this exercise is. See you tomorrow inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.